Climate change is speeding up. The pace nearly doubled in 10 years around the world. Earth is now warming at a rate of around 0.35 degrees Celsius per decade. Fresh analysis finds the rate of global warming has surged since 2015 and is now nearly doubled what it was in the 1970, according to a study that tackles one of the hottest debates among climate scientists around the world. Because the past 3 years have passed shattered temperature records, researchers have been exploring whether global warming is accelerating, and if so, why. Many scientists agree that the rate at which it is increasing has picked up. This is mainly because of a reduction in our pollution following the introduction of fuel regulations for international shipping. In the data, you can practically see uh, by eye that it has accelerated, says Stefan Ramstorff, a climate scientist at the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research in Germany. Other scientists have also argued that global warming is accelerating. One commonly cited estimate holds that the rate of change is now 0.27 degrees Celsius per decade, compared with around 0.20 degrees Celsius per decade in the 1970s. I am Ryan Ahmad, President and founder of World Human Rights Preservation Organization. I am working to ensure human rights, peace, justice, education for all people around the world. It is my vision to make our world great. I am campaigning to stop war among nations around the world. I want to stop war in Iran, America, Israel, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Palestine, Israel, Russia, Ukraine, India, Bangladesh, and Bangladesh, uh, India, Pakistan, Ethiopia, Eritrea, Thailand, Cambodia, world. I am working to ensure human rights, peace, justice, education for all people around the world. I am also campaigning for protecting the climate of around the world. I want to believe that if we educate every child around the world, and our world would be automatically peaceful. So the world leader must invest more uh, money or dollars or taka on climate change, on child education around the world, on human education around the world. It is approximately estimated that if we educate our children, then our world would automatically more peaceful. I am campaigning among all nations around the world: India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, America, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Russia, Poland, France, to stop war and make our world great. If we believe that we can make our world great, then we must educate our children. We must be uh, live in mutual coexistence. Uh, if we educate our people, then the world must be automatically peaceful. I urge American President Donald Trump, Iran President Masoud Pezeshkian, and Iran Supreme Leader Mustafa Khamenei, and uh, Pakistan Prime Minister Asif Shahbaz Sharif, Pakistan President uh, Asif Ali Zardari, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Indian President Drupadi Murmu, Bangladesh Prime Minister Tariq Rahman, and Bangladesh President Mohammad Shahabuddin, Turkey President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Russia President uh, Vladimir Putin, uh, Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky, and United Nations Secretary General uh, uh, Mr. Antonio Guterres to take immediate measures to stop war uh, in Iran, America, and Israel. If we stay livable society in our world, we must stop war. I am the president of World Human Rights Preservation Organization. My name is Ryan Ahmad. I am working in Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Greece, Italy, Azerbaijan, Armenia, and around the world to stop war around the world.